A good video starts with a good beginning. A funny opening scene can be a great hook for our audience to keep watching. So in today's video, I want to show you 2 easy ways to make impressive opening scenes for city vlogs. Like this, we hide the text behind the building, so the text looks like it flies out from behind the building. This effect works amazing with time-lapse videos captured by fixed cameras. First, let's open up VideoProc Vlogger. Add the footage we need. Then we drag the footage from Media Library to VideoProc. If your footage is too long, you can use the Ripple Edit tool to keep only the wanted segment. Then we scale the timeline view to the proper size. Next, right-click on the footage on the video track. Then choose Copy. Surely, you can also use the shortcut Ctrl and C to get there. Next, go to Overlay track, right-click on your mouse, and choose Paste. Then we choose the footage on the overlay track. Hit the crop button on the toolbar. On the pop-up panel, we drag the box on the left to crop the video to make the edge of the video intersect that of the building. Drag the playhead on the timeline to preview. After we confirm the outcome, hit Apply. Then we double-click on the preview window and drag the footage of the overlay track to make it overlap with the footage of the video track. Then let's add a text clip. But before this, let's create a new overlay track. Now we hit the title button on the top left. We choose the desired title preset under the Create Title section. Here I select the Credit 2, add it to the new overlay track. Hit this button, drag this overlay track and drop it in between the tracks that hold the city footage. Then let's keep editing the appearance of the text clip. Hit the text clip. Then go to the top right and choose Edit Text to enter the text editor panel. Herein, we can adjust the parameters of the text. Hit the animation button on the left. We can choose the entrance and the exit animations. Just pick our pick based on the location of the building. Here I choose the left roll. Then on the animation time menu, we adjust the duration of the animation. Hit Apply. That's all. We've made a creative flying text effect. In this case, the footage looks sharper as the text gradually disappears. We can easily make this pretty classic opening scene. First, we drag the footage onto VideoProc Vlogger. Then we add it to video track. Trim it to the proper length. Then we add the text. Like what we do in the last case, here we use a preset from Credit Title. Or we hit text to add a text clip. After adjusting the size, style, and animation for it. Based on the time when the text clip disappears, we use the split tool or the shortcut Ctrl and B to split the footage into 2 parts. Choose the previous part. Find the image blurring and smoothing button on the inspector panel. Adjust these 3 parameters to make the footage look blurry. Then we hit the transitions. Add a fade effect to both 2 parts. That's all for making a classic opening scene for a vlog. Alright, now you've reached the end of today's video. If you want to learn more useful editing tricks, be sure you subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye!